It's different, you know, like every time I come here, I feel like they actually like want you to succeed, you get me? They're not here to babysit you, you know, you come here and if you want to, you know, it's how much effort you put into it. You're trying to stay out of trouble and it feels good coming in here, you know. How I got to this school was because I was in jail and I was doing my classes in jail. Do you guys have school outside of here? And they told me, yeah, you know, and I was like, all right. So they gave me a paper and I basically told them, I'm like out of all the people that come to school, do people actually go to school out there? He's like, yeah. And I'm like, do they actually graduate? He's like, yeah, most of them do. And I'm like, all right, well, I'm gonna try it out. You know, I've been wanting my high school diploma. It's just, you know, when you're young and dumb and you want to chase the love of your life and then you go do, you know, like, and plus the fact of my kids, you get me? Like, I don't want my kids to like grow up and be like, well, you didn't graduate. And I just don't want them to see me and me keep doing the same thing that I was doing before. You know, they also offer here nursing, like to be a nurse, and it's free, you know? So I might as well take advantage of that too, you know? Like, when I was in the streets, you know, I would always be like, well, whatever could make, like, I'll learn any way to make money, you know? And I mean, it's the same thing in career-wise, you get me? So, and you know, like, it's another thing I could put in a resume. I mean, I do feel like this is a second chance, you know, because well, I'm here and they're gonna help me out, you know? It is a second opportunity for them to help me out. And you know, the nursing classes are free. Like, who else is gonna give you that? When my friends be hitting me up like, hey, what's up, come kick it, and I'll be like, hey, what's up, come to school, you know? Like, I'll kick if you come to school. And they think this is like somewhere you come and just get your GED. And I'm like, it's not your GED, it's actually like legit, your high school diploma, you know? Life is complicated and we all make mistakes, you know? But it's never too late to like wanna do better for yourself. And well, yeah, hey, the school's here. This school is a place to come and actually get your life straight, you know.